If you don't know where is the liquidity, you are the liquidity. Hello guys, I'm Majid. Liquidity is the one of the most crucial principles in the world of trading. Today, I'm going to use my experience as a trader to explain how to identify liquidity and understand its significance in the market. Liquidity is the lifeblood of the market. It determines price movement. If you cannot pinpoint where the liquidity is, you are simply going to be fuel of the market instead of benefiting from it. This video, we will cover several key concepts that will help you to understand how leverage liquidity to your advantage. We will discuss the concept of liquidity sweep and how to use it in analyzing price movement. When the market targets the liquidity pool, it often leads to significant price change, and knowing how to identify these sweeps can help you manage. Next, we will dive into fair value gap, a crucial concept that helps traders identify imbalance in the market. Recognizing these gaps can provide valuable instant potential entry and exit points, allowing you to make more informed discussion. Finally, we will explore the point of interest, a specific area on the chart where your price is likely to react due to high liquidity of previous market activity. Identifying these points can help you anticipate market moves. By the end of the video, you will have a clear understanding of how to spot these key elements in the market and use them to enhance your trading strategy. If you are serious about taking your trading into the next level, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and join our community on the Discord. Let's get started by breaking down each of these concepts in details, starting with the liquidity and how it drives the market. Okay guys, if you're a beginner, just skip this to 2 minutes, 3 minutes, because I will show this to the beginner. Okay, what is the liquidity? Liquidity is the fuel of the market. Market maker cannot buy a big amount of coin of the token if there is a lot of seller. What they will do, look at this example. Okay, this is uptrend, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, and there is so many stop loss between below this trend. Okay, stop loss mean liquidity. Okay, stop loss mean sell limit. So market maker want this sell limit to buy. Okay, to buy big amount of token, of coin, or anything. Okay, so they will go here. So everyone will think this trend, it will be now bearish. Okay, it will be bearish, so they will open long position also. So what they will do, they will take this liquidity, then they will go up with big wick candle, with the big wick, take the liquidity and go up. Okay, this is the first example. This is the second example. We have here support this price cannot break this support. Okay, so there is means so many liquidity here. Every time price come to this zone, there is buyer, push the price up. Okay, again buyer, push the price up. So there is so many stop loss here, so many sell order here. So market maker will take this order and go up like this. Okay, another example here, take this order and go down like this. Okay, so now we know the liquidity, it's below the trend and below double swing low, double swing high, triple swing low, triple swing support, resistance. But we have also liquidity in another place, which is session. You need to go to the indicator, add session indicator to know where is the Asia session, where is the London session, where is the New York session. I have this indicator. You can copy copy the name ASEAN session range and copy my setting. Okay, so what we are gonna do, we will check the price on the Asia session like this. Okay, then there is time here between Asia session to London kill zone. Okay, so what we are waiting, we will do like this. This is Asia liquidity. This is Asia liquidity. So what we are want, or what we are waiting, the London session to take this liquidity up or down. Okay, if they go up here, we want to enter here like this. Okay, target the next liquidity, or with your risk management, 3 to 1, break even, anything. Do whatever you want. Okay, this is the third liquidity of the session. Also, we have the liquidity above swing daily high, daily candle. Okay, above it, and also below it, like this. We can target this one like this. If the price come here and we see the big wick or the tall wick, we will anticipate in a long position. So now let's see some real example, which I take it before. Okay, this is the perfect example which I take it before, and I post this in Envolio. If you didn't follow me in Envolio, follow me in Envolio. My name is V3 Monkey. So I talk this trade depend on what. Okay, let's go to 4 hour. First thing I told you in the beginning of the video, we need to find point of interest, or find a fair value gap or anything. Okay, what we see here, we have something called PPR. Okay, so that means we have overlap between bearish fair value gap and bullish fair value gap. Okay, so we will draw like this the overlap between them. Okay, then let's check here. Let's do the replay, and I told you why I entered this trade. Okay, as we can see here, this is Asia low. We see here London take the liquidity of Asia low and go up. Okay, but I was waiting a confirmation. Okay, because also there is here fair value gap, and we have here the order block. Okay, which push the price to change of character. Okay, so what I'm waiting price come here. Okay, then I will go to long position. So let's just make it faster. So see, the price just sniper entry. Let's respect this order block. See, and go long. See, and this liquidity, and this is 14 risk to reward. We have another example here. This one, London session take the Asia liquidity, then go down. Asia London session take the liquidity of Asia session like this. Okay, then go down, but I close this at break even like here. I close it here. Okay, because the price didn't reach my goal, which is 10 risk to reward. So we have so many examples like this. What you need to do, you need to go to your chart and check the Asia liquidity like this. Okay, check Asia low like this. Okay, let's go here. Okay, let's go to 15 minutes first. So we need to find point of interest. What we have here, we have fair value gap. Okay, and also we have here fair value gap, but thanks God price didn't go there. Okay, so we need to find liquidity, a sweep of this liquidity, and again react from this fair value gap. So I enter here with this big wick like this. Okay, stop loss above it a little bit, and here my first TB, and the second TB it will be 10 risk to reward. So we like this. Okay, like this. Okay, I take the TB1, then break even here. Okay, so what you will do, You will go to your chart, go to 15-minute, check the fair value gap and point of interest, like order block, anything. Okay, so like here we have order block here. Okay, if landed session, sweep this liquidity. I will go long if I see react on this order block. Okay, practice, guys, so many times. Practice so many times. Improve it, adjust it, depend on what you want. Okay, this is the only strategy you need. Market move with the liquidity. Do not use any indicator, just use the session indicator. You do not need anything else. RSI, MACD, anything. Market move with the liquidity. Just keep this in your mind. And please, last thing, subscribe to our channel. This will help us to make another video, 3 video profile, etc. So hit the like button, leave the comment in the description, and thank you.